Good morning, students. Welcome to physics. So today we can going to study about the scope of physics. In the last class, we have already learned about the meaning of physics. What is the meaning of physics? The physics is the branch of science which deals with the nature and natural phenomena. That is what we termed as the physics, we can say. And also the physics tells you about the matter and also energy. And also the physics deals with the measurements. Okay, that is what we termed as physics. Now we recover to study about the scope of this physics. What is the meaning of the scope? The scope is nothing but the field of knowledge. How much of a knowledge we will get by studying this particular physics. So we can term as a domain, we will see. Let us say the scope of physics here. Okay, scope of physics. Scope of physics. The scope of physics is in the two ways. Two ways. One is termed as the microscopic domain. Okay, one is termed as microscopic domain. Another one is termed as a macroscopic domain. So let us consider the first and foremost thing is macroscopic. Macroscopic domain. Another one is termed as the microscopic domain. Microscopic domain. What is the meaning there by domain? A domain is nothing but the field or area of knowledge. How much area it will cover? Whether it covers a small area, whether it covers a large area like that. That is termed as the field of knowledge. How much knowledge we will get. So in the term itself, we have a meaning for this. Macro means what here? The phenomenon of a large scale. Phenomenon of a large scale, we can say. It is nothing but a large area it will cover. Large area, large scale. Microscopic in the sense, so it is considered a minute or a small, minute scale. Minute scale. So let us consider this one, the macroscopic. Macroscopic domain means the phenomenon of a large scale is termed as macroscopic. So we have under the laboratory scale, laboratory level. Okay. And also the another thing is that the terrestrial level. And also we have an astronomical level. Okay, study about the planets, asteroids, meteorites, the entire universe. There is an astronomical level. So that is so termed as an mesoscopic level. Okay, I will come to that later. Okay, this is called macroscopic domain, the large scale we require to study. Another one is called the small scale we require to study. Under this, the macroscopic level, we have in physics, mechanics, okay, optics, thermodynamics, electrodynamics, okay. So under this we can going to study about mechanics and electrodynamics. And thirdly we have optics and thermodynamics But in a microscopic domain, the minute scale, we are going to study about what is atomic structure, nuclear physics, nuclear phenomena, and also we have molecular level, atomic, molecular, nuclear phenomenon, let us say like that, okay, atomic phenomenon, atomic, molecular, and nuclear phenomenon. So this is what we term as the microscopic. I will give you the simple examples for these things. Okay. Let us consider a size of universe. Size of universe is just it is calculated like 10 to the power of 26 meters. That is the size. And what is the size of what a nucleus? A size of a nucleus is 10 to the power of what? Minus 15 meters. We just compare these two things here. The size of the universe is 10 to the power of what I can able to say 26, so let us say meter. To the size of a what here the nucleus is 10 to the power of minus what here 15 meters. This is macro. So 10 to the power of minus 15 is what here? Micro. Large level to the what here? A small level. Large one to the what here? A small one. So please see the field of this knowledge. You will get a knowledge of the large one also. You will get a knowledge of what here? A small. So there is no limit for us. And then another important thing is that another example is the mass of universe. Let us say the mass of universe is 10 to the power of 55 kg. Mass of universe. Okay, let us say mass of universe. Mass of universe 10 to the power of 55 kg. To the mass of electron. So the mass of what? Mass of electron. Electron is 10 to the power of what here? Minus 30 kg. To compare these two things, okay, large to the what here? Small. Okay, we are comparing these two things. The macro level of study, the micro level of study. Okay. And the age of Earth 10 to the power of 17 seconds. And the age of what? The smallest particle, fundamental particles. There are so many type of fundamental particles we have. So we can going to study about all those things. So 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds. You see the timings. The age of a universe is 10 to the power of 17 seconds to the 10 to the power of what here? Minus 10 seconds. So this is what the study of what here? The macroscopic and also what is that? Microscopic. Okay, I think you might have understood these things. There is an excitement in physics also. Okay. Excitement is you can go for what here? So live transmission of television, the working of a mobile phone, how the computer will works, and what are the uses of what robots nowadays, robotics, and the uses of this lasers. So these are all excitement in what you can put in physics. Okay. So deals with these extremes. Okay, these are all the extremes, the macroscopic and also microscopic. So this is what the scope of physics. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the videos. Thank you.